Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Happy Mask Monday, and today I will be doing my Sephora haul. These two boxes only have one thing in them, so yeah, they kind of split up my order. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jennifer. I love doing a makeup material, whether it be neutral or colorful. I love doing hauls and general fun makeup stuff. I also do unboxings of subscription boxes, and I am agoraphobic, so I do talk about agoraphobic topics and mental health. If you're into any of that, or say you're into all that, I highly would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. If you would like to see what is in my Sephora haul, because I did shop the sale and I spent quite a bit of coin, and then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, I just want to thank you for clicking on this video and spending some time with me. I greatly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you want to know what mask I'm wearing today, it is from EBA Nature. It is their aloe mask, and you can find these on Amazon. They are a really great brand of face mask. Okay, let's see. I think I know what this is. I made a special order for it. Yeah, because I had enough points to get $10 off. And so I needed some syrup. I needed some what do you call it? Niacinamide serum, because oh my gosh, this is so tiny. It is the Prima Enlightenment Serum Concentrated Boost for vital hydration and even skin tone. Saccharide complex and niacinamide. It's not even filled to the top. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I got a discount. And some money off of this. It's got a little dropper on it. That's not even my favorite delivery system there, where you have to push on the top. Okay, I am going to use just very, very little of that each time. I did not even know. How much is in here? 100 milligrams. It does have CBD in it, so that was probably part of the price tag there. Okay, they split up my order, and they put a whole big box, and a lot of the things I bought in my Sephora order were backups of things that I had already purchased. And this is the Kosas Cloudset Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder in the color Breezy. I love this powder so much. I like the Kosas brand a lot. And if I can get it open, I'll show you it. I'm just throwing trash on the floor. It looks like this, and I am pretty much to the bottom of my powder. And it looks like that. It's kind of domed a little bit. It is a great setting powder. It blurs what's on your skin, and it's just really great. I like it. Okay. Okay, the bulk of what's in here are these cotton pads. I know they're probably expensive for just regular cotton pads, but I love the Sephora brand cotton pads because look how big they are. When I use drugstore cotton pads, I usually have to use like 2 or 3 of them to do what I want with them. And with these, I only have to use just one. And be done with it. So I bought 4 of these cotton pads. There are 50 in each one, but they get the job done. Let me tell you. Okay, what did I get? I got some samplers. I got the Westman Atelier Vital Skin Foundation Stick foundation to try out. Although I would never buy this. It's way too expensive. But I did get the LYS Triple Fix Serum Foundation, which I might try someday. I think that color might work on me. LN6. Okay. Some other things that I got backups on were the Tower 28 Save Our Skin Spray. I really like using this in the morning on my face. It helps smooth out dried skin and it's antimicrobial, I believe. So that is one thing I got, and I replenished my Ole Hendrickson Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. Now, I know people say that you're not supposed to use like a physical exfoliant on your skin, but this makes my skin so freaking smooth, and I don't know. I am just addicted to it. It smells like lemonade. I really like it a lot. And then the Kosas Airbrow, I got it in the color brown black because my eyebrows are so dark. That is what it looks like there. But I'm running out of the one I have. And I'm not going to open it, but because I'm not completely out yet. And then the things I splurged on. Okay. I splurged on this Way Scalp and Body Scrub and St. Bart's because I wanted a body scrub, and I love the Way shampoos that I use. Okay, is this going to come off? Okay, I can smell it through there. It smells just like a tropical vacation. I love it. That is great. It kind of smells like that Boom Boom cream a little bit, I would say, but I need some exfoliation for my body, and I just needed something for the shower for a sugar scrub. Don't know if I'll use it for my hair because I have such fine hair, and when I use a scrub in my hair starts to fall out. So I have a lot of problems with my hair. So the next thing I got, you know, I am on a hashtag fluffy brow journey. So I bought the Patrick Ta Major Brow Lamination Gel. So I'm going to go ahead and open this to where You put this in your lashes, and it is supposed to be the thing that will keep your lashes up. And then you hold it down with this part, and I was promised this is going to keep my brows up. So I am going to work with that. I will keep you posted on that. And one thing was a lipstick I bought. I really splurged on this. Was a Gucci Rouge de Beauté Brilliant in the color Diana Amber. And it comes in a very pretty packaging right there. And that is what she looks like. Oh, that is so pretty. It is like a rosy, pinkish red color. I can't wait to wear that. Oh, I can't wait to wear that. So that is what I got in my Sephora haul. Okay, I've got one more box to share with y'all. And it came from the Boxy drop shop. Let me go get it. I got one more box from the Boxy drop shop, which I did not know was coming. So I guess I did make 3 orders from the drop shop. Okay, I remember ordering this. This says it is a beauty washing machine, which when I ordered it, I did not know what that meant. I got 2 of them here. So let me just open this up. Okay, it looks like this. It stands up like this. It has this little tube here. What are the instructions? Insert 2 AAA batteries, not included, in the compartment on the bottom of the machine. Fill with warm water to the fill line indicated inside the washer. Press power button on the washer to start cleaning. Can be used for blenders and makeup brushes. Blender, hold the lid down while in use. Brushes, hold the barrel of the brush while in use. Allow blenders and brushes to dry fully before each use. Use the drainage hose to discard of water after use. Rinse and fully dry before next use. So that's what this is. It is a mechanism to wash your beauty blenders and your brushes. Interesting. Well, I've got one to put away in a giveaway as well. And one other thing I bought, it says Clean AF. It is, I don't know what it is. It just says clean makeup. Okay, it's the Lawless Forget the Filler lip gloss. Okay, I thought I had ordered that. Okay, very interesting. Okay, I've got to try that out because I've got some dirty blushes and my beauty blender is definitely dirty. Okay, great, great, great. Okay, let me put the directions back inside there. What do y'all think of that? Did y'all buy that at the Boxy sale? Do y'all think that is worth it? It wasn't that much money. Okay, I'm going to try some of this niacinamide serum. Just a touch, though. Okay, good, because that's all that came out. I can smell that it has CBD in it for sure. It has that earthy smell. But I needed some more niacinamide. Okay, we will make that last as far as we can. Okay, alright, let me know what you thought about my haul down below. Would you like to receive this in a giveaway? Let me know down below. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Happy Mask Monday to all of you. And yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic week this week. And yeah, if you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes to you. And remember just to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And I will see you in my next video tomorrow, okay? So just stay well until then, okay? Alright, goodbye.